Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to update your Google Play Store. Friends, if you have Android mobile, sometimes you should update your Google Play Store, right? But if it is needed to update your Google Play Store, how you can do it? Friends, for this, you have to go to your Play Store first. After going on Play Store, you have to tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. Or you can see the logo or picture, anything, my friends. Just tap on here. Then you have to tap on settings here. Just tap on settings. And you'll find here there are lots of options, but you have to tap on the down one, the about, and you have to scroll down and you have to tap on update Play Store. Just tap on here to update and see the Google Play Store is up to date. So my Play Store is up to date, that's why it is shown like that. But if it's not, it will be shown here update. Just tap on update. So my friends, now you can tap on understood or got it. If you see there is Play Store is up to date. Otherwise, if you see it is needed to update your Play Store, it will be shown here update. Just tap on update and it will be updated, right? So friends, like this, if you want, really you can do update your Play Store. Friends, if you like this video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come on the exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.